Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Min step by step. I will write it in standard scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Min. It means people, citizen. For example, 人民 the people. Here's a sentence. Today, the life of the people is getting better than before. Today, the life of the people is getting better than before.今天人民的生活较过去强多了。今天 today 人民的生活 life of the people 较过去 before 强多了 better 今天人民的生活今天人民的生活较过去强多了 better much better 今天人民的生活较过去强多了。今天人民的生活较过去强多了。Today, the life of the people is getting better than before. My casual handwriting on the character Min. Oh. Min, 人民 the people. Today, the life of the people is getting better than before. 今天人民的生活较过去强多了。今天人民的生活较过去强多了。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character Min. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.